So in the previous videos, we learned an overview of Google AdSense and Google Ads units. So in today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to add the Google Ads into our real estate website. Click the like button and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more real estate content, investment and home tips. So open up your Google AdSense account. So on my computer here, I'm using the Safari with my Google AdSense. So go to Ads and then go to by ads units. So in the previous video, I already covered an overview of each different types of the ad units. So for this tutorial example, we're going to create a display ad. So we click here, create display ads, and then we're going to choose square, and then we're going to name it IPROPFANS test square. And then we're going to click create. Then here is the code, so we're going to copy the code snippet, click done. So go to your WordPress dashboard and then go down to post. So we're going to add a new post here for this tutorial, and then here we can type or choose a block. So we will choose HTML block here, custom HTML, and then we will copy and paste the code. So you can also preview the code, but in the Gutenberg block it won't show the preview on the Google ad that we pasted here. You can add ads anywhere in your post, so you can add before the content or in the middle of the contents. So we add the text here, and then we add the custom HTML and then paste the code, or we can add at the end of our text. Then we're going to preview the codes here, and then once we're done, we're going to add a title for our post. So for this post, I'll name it 6 easy entry and low cost passive income in 2022, and then we're going to save the draft. So after polishing this post, we will publish it. And then in my website here, it's already been published. So here's an example of the ads live in the post. We have the ad at the end of the post. So thanks for learning and watching together. And I hope you learned how to add ads into your real estate blog and website post.